Okay, I want to show you how to use your periodic table to find some of the different elements by using some different clues. So for example, I have written here, I have 2 valence electrons and 2 energy levels. Well, we know that the group number tells us the number of valence electrons. And we know that the period number tells us the number of energy levels. So it tells me that I have 2 valence electrons. So I'm going to go to group 2 for my valence electrons, and it tells me that I have 2 energy levels. So I'm going to go to period 2 for my energy levels. And if I come across and bring it down so that they intersect, I find that the element that I am looking for is beryllium. Okay, let's look at a second problem here. I have 3 energy levels, so group 1, group 2, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's look at this second one here. It tells me that I have 3 energy levels and 6 valence electrons. So we know, again, periods tell us the number of energy levels, so I'm going to go down 1, 2, and 3. So this is the row that I want to be in, is here. And it tells me that I have 6 valence electrons. Remember that I told you that we want to look at the group numbers for valence electrons, and that the number in the ones place value will tell you the number of valence electrons for that group. So if I am looking for 6 valence electrons, I'm going to look at my group numbers, and I see group 16. Remember, we don't use any of these. These are all gone for us. We're not going to use them. Okay? So we're looking at group 16. Now, if I'm going to come down this group, and I'm going to come across, I'm going to find that sulfur is the one that is found with 3 energy levels and 6 valence electrons. So sulfur would be my answer. Okay, this question is just a little bit different. It says I have 3 energy levels and 15 protons. Again, we still know that we can count the number of periods for our energy levels. So 1, 2, 3. So I know that I'm looking in this row here. Okay, and it says it has 15 protons. Protons, we know, are the same as the number of electrons and the atomic number, 8. Okay, so if my protons are 15, that means that my atomic number would be 15. Therefore, I'm going to come down and I'm going to look, and I've got 13, 14, 15, because remember the top number in each box is your atomic number. So this would be the element that I'm looking for, phosphorus. So some things to take away from this. When you're trying to find elements on the periodic table from different clues, you need to remember 8th man, A, atomic number equals the number of protons, which equals the number of electrons. Remember, this is all the same number. And if you're looking for the number of neutrons, we have man, M minus A equals N, which is our mass minus our atomic number is going to equal the number of neutrons. Okay, remember that periods tell you the number of energy levels. And that groups tell you the number of valence electrons. Okay? I hope that this has helped you. Now you're going to work some problems on your own.